Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my Luxury Closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. We'll cover handbags and jewelry and fashion and vacations when I go on them. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, I suggest you stick around. Now, today I have an unboxing and I also have a topic to chat about. So the luxury unboxing today is going to be from Azalea Fine Jewelry, a seller I found on Etsy that is based out of Los Angeles and makes the pieces to order. And I found a fabulous item. I can't wait to share it with you. I did purchase this with my own money, but I have a discount code to share with you so you can get a fabulous additional discount over this Black Friday week. And I wanted to get this video out to you as soon as possible so you could enjoy those savings. The topic we're going to discuss today is going to be the 3 luxury handbags that I purchased in 2024 that I also sold in 2024. So I actually purchased a total of 28 luxury handbags this year, but I only turned around and sold 3 of those 28. So I would say my odds are pretty good in terms of being happy with what I purchased. And in the 3 cases of the bags that I sold, I can't say that any one of the 3 was a true fail. In fact, it's funny, I sold all 3 of them to a friend of mine. And so part of it was that I thought would appreciate these 3 bags more than I would. But I'm going to also talk to you about what I have in my collection that I felt was duplicated or corrected some small issue I had with those 3 bags. So let's get into the unboxing because I want to put it on. So the box came in a bubble mailer and I think the packaging is lovely. We've got Azalea Fine Jewelry in there, and whenever I find an Etsy store, I always look at the reviews, and Azalea Fine Jewelry has thousands of positive reviews. Now, this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to talk about it, but when I find something good, I just like to share it. So here is the box. And it is a magnetic type box, comes with a nice little pouch inside. And the moment of truth, let's get into the bag together. So what could be inside? Ooh, we have a diamond tennis bracelet. So this is a 3-carat lab diamond tennis bracelet. And one of the really cool things about Azalea Fine Jewelry is that they offer multiple different options so that you can find the price point that works for you. So this bracelet was offered from 1 carat to 3 carat total weight, and it was offered in 14 karat white gold, yellow gold, or rose gold. It has a very secure closure, as you can see there. And the sparkle on these diamonds is incredible. Now, I like both lab diamonds, I like moissanite, and I like natural diamonds. I'm an equal opportunity employer as long as the item is sparkly, beautiful, and wear resistant. The moissanite option is the least expensive of the options. The lab diamond is in the middle, and then the natural diamond is the most expensive. And right now you can get a fabulous deal on one of these handmade pieces. Because of the Black Friday sale, you can save that extra 5% with my code MLC5 on top of the 30% off that's already going on. I have it paired next to my lapis bracelet I got from Greece, and I just love the balance of the 3-carat lab diamond bracelet right next to this lapis and 14-karat gold bracelet. I think that the size of the bracelet I chose works perfectly with my stack, and I can of course add more to it. And then here is the Greek ring I got when I was in Athens to kind of set the whole thing off. So that is my new bracelet. I'm very excited about it, and it's on me for the day. I have it paired with my navy cardigan that I got from Estier, and I'll link my navy cardigan down below with the discount code. It is so soft and cozy that I actually slept in it last night. There's sort of a resounding theme with my outfits. I tend to sleep in them when they're soft and cozy. And while this is dressy and stylish, it's also soft and cozy at the same time. I don't think I could have found a better combination. Now, the bag of the day is still my Speedy 25 in the denim, and it's going to start off the topic of a bag that I bought and sold within the same year, and that is the By the Pool Speedy 25. I'll put a picture of it here as I'm talking about it, but I really love this bag because of the handles being not vachetta. And I just thought that the different patterns were so beautiful. But I ended up selling it because the bag was too structured for me. If you look at this bag, it is so smooshy gooshy, and I love that. It feels so good when I'm carrying it. And I love the size of this bag when it is smooshy, but when it's really structured, it feels too big to me. And I didn't know that the Speedy's canvas varied from one type of canvas to the next. And what I mean by that is that my Damier Ebene Speedy 25's canvas is smooshy like this denim, and it's coated. But the coated canvas on the By the Pool Speedy, it was actually a lot thicker, I think, and that's why it felt more structured. The next bag I bought and sold within the same year is the Clapton in the Magnolia color. And this bag was a beautiful bag, and I started analyzing the pink bags in my collection, of which I had multiple. And one of them was the Gucci Marmont, and I'm going to talk about selling that one in another video. And one of them was the New Wave chain bag. And again, that's another video to talk about the bags I sold in 2024. But the bags that I still have include this beautiful Dress Up Your Purse pink Paris 15 bag, and I just like the Paris 15 layout a little better than the Clapton. I like that it has the handle, and I like that it has the back pocket. And with the Clapton, I guess I was sort of worried about the beautiful front lock that it had on it, how it slid down and locked, that it was going to get scratched over time. And I know that these get scratched from the opening and closing, but I'm a little less worried about it on a less expensive bag like this one. And when I've used these Paris 15 bags by Dress Up Your Purse, I have gotten almost no scratches on the hardware, which is crazy because the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse hardware scratches almost when you just look at it. As soon as those stickers come off, if not before, I've seen the Pochette Matisse hardware get scratched through the stickers. Let's just say it scratches really easily, and the Dress Up Your Purse version seems to be pretty darn resilient. I do have a discount code for Dress Up Your Purse. It is MLC15 for 15% off, and that's an affiliate code. If you use it, it helps me, but it also helps you too. So this is one of the reasons why I went ahead and sold that Magnolia Clapton. And if you watch my videos, you know that I'm thinking about giving this one, or I've already committed to giving this one to one of my good friends, Julie. She has a channel called Agent Bag Reviews, and I'm just waiting for this beauty's replacement, which is also from Dress Up Your Purse. So hang tight for that one, and let me grab my other two pink bags. It's funny because as I've reduced the number of handbags in my collection, and I guess I'm not really reducing because I had a net increase of 10 luxury handbags. So it's not really reducing, but it sort of seemed like it when I was selling the bags. But as I curated, maybe that's the better word, as I curated my handbag collection and reduced the number of pink bags down to these two in the luxury category, I feel like I want to use both of these more, and I have used both of these since that curation. Most recently, the Fendi Baguette, and I really love this style. And so because I did end up selling a few pink bags, I think 3 altogether, I ended up appreciating the ones that I had left even more. And you'll notice that these are both flap style bags. Flap style bags are the #1 style in my collection, followed by the satchel style. I really enjoy flap style bags, especially when they have detachable straps where I can mix and match and make it my own. And I found I can do the same thing with those satchel styles. There are some flap style bags that have chains, and those bags, like this beautiful Saint Laurent medium Nikki bag, these are more restrictive on my creativity, but I love them nonetheless. It's just I don't want to have too many of any one particular category, hence the curation of the collection. And so I'll get into that more in just a second. And a second has passed because the third bag I want to talk about selling is the Vavin PM. I found this Vavin and it was just such an amazing find with the caramel colored leather paired with the black and the damier ebene. I just loved it. And I was so excited that I found it and delighted to have it. And I used it a few times. And I guess for me, the chains, I just didn't love the chains on that bag. They were gorgeous, don't get me wrong. Absolutely stunning. But like I just mentioned, sometimes chains limit my strap action creativity. And I was sort of in the process of shifting my collection to more satchel style bags. I've discovered I really love a good top handle. And one of the bags I added in 2024 is this gorgeous Odeon PM. And I can put multiple straps with this bag, including a black jacquard strap that I have from the pre-love market that was originally a Cousin strap. And then I also have added chains. This chain is from Next Fashion. I always link Next Fashion down below with my discount code MLC20. And there's just a lot of fun to be had when it comes to a bag like this. Most any black strap will do. I think right now my favorite pairing is either the strap it came with or that jacquard strap, but I love adding the chain and I just couldn't do that with the Vavin. The Vavin had the built-in chains, but this one allows me to get it just the way I want it. In a way, I had two replacements for the Vavin, and the other one would be this beautiful Pallas BB in the Noisette shade. So this color is kind of similar to the front accent color on the Vavin. And then you can see I have a charm on it that has black leather. This is the Capucine's charm. And that combination sort of fulfills that same color palette that the Vavin did. But once again, like the Odeon that I just showed you, I can add a chain. I can put whatever strap I want with it. I have a monogram pochette Matisse strap I can put with this. I have a bandolier strap that has black trim I can put with this. The options are not endless, but plentiful. And I'm just loving that flexibility, at least this year in 2024. Who knows what the future will bring, but those are some of the reasons why I bought and sold 3 luxury bags within the same year. They just weren't quite right. But once again, 25 out of 28, that's not too bad. In closing out, I would like to remind you of the beautiful tennis bracelet I unboxed today. If you want to pick one of these up, I will link it down below. There are multiple price points and sizes, and my discount code of MLC5 will save you an extra 5% off of the already great 30% off sale that they are currently running. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then My Luxury Closet 529, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.